Temu has taken the internet and people's lives by a storm. I mean, it has taken over my life completely, especially because this channel is about budgeting and growing your career and your lifestyle healthily and looking and feeling the best that you can. I mean, I am quite literally a budget lifestyle YouTuber, so why would I not be obsessed? Everything's cheap, everything's realistically, on the occasion, good quality, and it comes faster than any other website of its predecessors. So I decided today we're going to do a full face of makeup from Temu. I typically stay away from makeup just because you never really want to put stuff on your face if you don't know too much about it, and I don't really do much makeup anyway, so this might be a really bad idea. If you guys want to see all the actual products that I have, because honestly, some of these are absolutely adorable, then please watch the haul from last week. But yeah, we're using absolutely everything from Temu with the exception of foundation because my skin is too dark for anything they had. I also didn't buy brushes, which I might do a whole like makeup tools video because I'm looking at some that are kind of cute, but that's besides the fact. And of course, I have my little trusty dusty mirror, and if you guys want to know, I use the Zodiac collection from BH Cosmetics for my brushes. And my sponge, I don't know where it's from, but I bought it. Now, the first product we have is a primer. If you watch the haul, then you'll see exactly the cost and everything of this. I cannot remember off the top of my head, but I really got it because like that just looks cool, right? Like, now I only have moisturizer on my face. I didn't really do anything else because I want to be as realistic as possible with this. Oh my god, wait. I just want to see how it pumps up. Oh, wait, is that all? Guys, oh my god, wait. It literally pumps with all three colors. I'm kind of scared. Wait, give me a second. This is really thick. Guys, I don't think this is like a normal oh no.
Besties, it is time to buckle your seatbelts. This roller coaster is about to be rocky.
I think this might be, actually no, okay, it blends out. For a second I was worried there that it might be a concealer. I'm just gonna blend with my fingers. I'm already seeing that it smells like Pond's cream, guys. It smells like Pond's cold cream. That just gave me such a bad hit of nostalgia. Oh my lord. I feel like it kind of turned my face a little gray. There's definitely a white cast. It smells and feels like Pond's cold cream. So, I mean, I don't know how it's going to work as a primer, but it is giving me massive childhood nostalgia. Now, I'm not going to wear foundation just because I couldn't find one, but I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on. It's just the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's $6. It's cheap, so I just thought that it would make more sense than if I was to use one of my more high-end concealers. Just so it's more relatable. And I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't do much. I just really want to see how this lays over the primer, which has a definite white cast. I don't know how well it shows on camera, but guys, I'm not a fan of looking like I have 3 layers of sunscreen on, because just gonna say, I don't know how much this is helping. Oh my god. We're already off to, I'm really hoping out of all the products that I got, at least 2 of them are like reusable. If I was lighter and I didn't have such yellow undertones, as you can see, that's like very different. I feel like this would work, right? Like, you're just, like, you really want it. I mean, it would work, just not for me. Next, we have my contour stick that I got. Again, shades are really hard to find on Temu, so when I found one that looked like it was dark enough to contour, I had to just cop it while I could. I don't think this is really dark enough to contour anymore, but we're gonna try it. I just did whatever. With the gray cast, oh my god, you can literally see the difference between the primer and no. With the gray cast, I don't know if I'm too hopeful for this. Also, this is just so orange, if you guys can tell. It's kind of tough to blend, I'm gonna say that. And I don't know if that's the primer or the stick, but you know, we'll work with it. Now my cheeks are actually part of this palette. Ooh, sorry, the eyeshadows popped up. It's just the top part of it. So I'm going to use this shade right here, which is their summer shade. It is in French. I did take French. Only reason I know that's the summer. So I'm just gonna put that over my cheeks. Payoff, not terrible. Oh, you can't tell because I didn't wash my brushes. Aha, sorry. That is the lightest color. Oh my god, I'm like... Okay, I got some color. Guys, it's really... I really have to work into it to try and get a good color payoff. And the worst part about this specific ad says that they have a lot of color out of these palettes. Oh, and this makes me very upset because I don't know what the eyeshadows are gonna be like. I mean, it's pretty, right? It's nice and light, nothing too bad. Yeah. I don't typically wear highlighter, and this I know is a darker, like, shimmer. But just because I didn't get a highlighter, I really do just want to try this. It's so pretty on the fingers. Is this... Guys, I think it might be... It really just might be my primer. Like, is it the primer that's messing me up? Because this... I mean, I like that. That's nice. It's really light. But that shine... Now for my brows, we have this one product that when I did my haul, I was not very happy with the look of it, but it's basically just like a brow powder, and I always do brown because, I don't know, I always do a dark brown. Okay. Oh, there's no more. Cool. That's wonderful. What is happening? Is this supposed to be like a sponge? Guys, what the fuck is... This is what I get for trying to get products that look cool instead of, you know, just the normal brush, because, I mean, it would have somewhat worked. It's very orange, but, like, there's no more. Like, I can't...
I found out 2 days later that the product is actually in the lid of it, and I did not know. Still a terrible product, but, you know, dumb on my part.
So even though it looks terrible, just to make it match, I took a little bit of the contour stick and just put that on my brow. Like, I was just done. I'm not going out like this, guys. My lord. Let's move on to my eyes. I can't do this. So like I mentioned earlier, this really pretty palette has the bottom half that pulls out as eyeshadows, but I did buy one of their items, which is basically this stick, and it's just colored shadow that you cross across your eye, and it's their best seller. And I got this color combination, so we're gonna try this before anything. Worst case scenario, this is gonna be a primer. I don't even know how I would, just the darker, yeah, okay. Oh, wait. If I like, dude, oh my god, if I just kind of, so I'm starting sideways like that, so I get the darker on the outside of my eye, and then I kind of twist, and it slides on so nicely. Guys, okay, it needs a little cleaning up, but like, okay, let me do the other. I'm really just gonna see if I can do some one swipe. So, I did like that, and then like that, and then slide across. Okay, I kind of messed up there. But what the... I'm buying 3 more of these. I'm gonna buy all their other shades. Like, can you... I could literally just take this to work with me, and yeah, I could just clean it up. But look, I'm done. Like, cat. All finito. I am going to put a little bit more of the powders in the palette just to try them, but like, I wear such light, kind of like flowy makeup, and I only do like reds and darker shades on the outside of my eye. This is perfect for me, especially on days where I want to start wearing more makeup, but I can't. I'm ordering more immediately, so watch out for that haul. And just to kind of amplify that darker shade on the outside, I'm going to take this, actually not. We're going to take this matte shade, and I'm going to go really close to my lash line right here and see how that goes. I'm hoping that the payoff on this is better. I'm just going to swatch this never mind. I can already tell that it's not going to be great. I purposely did not swatch any of these. Okay. Maybe I'm going crazy, but I think using the little shadow stick as a base as a primer made the payoff so much better. I'm buying so many of those shadow sticks. You can't even stop me. Because, like, this shadow, like, that's terrible. But on here, like, damn. Temu so far has really won my heart. But in this makeup category, terrible. With the exception of these sticks. No wonder it's the bestseller. And just because they do have this really chunky glitter here, I'm just going to take a little, No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I barely pressed into it and it moved. I'm just going to try and tap it on my lid. Oh no. Guys, it feels like Vaseline and glitter. Is it pretty? Kinda. It's sticking my eyelids together. But, I don't know. I could probably put it like here. Yeah. I'd rather use this as like a body glitter. Because I'm so sorry, I'm coming off. Whoa, it's just like really, it's not it. It's not it, guys. This palette's gorgeous, and I'd probably only use it with the other thing as a primer, but this is just not my cup of tea. If you guys are like really new to makeup and you really just use lighter colors, I really can't because of my skin shade. I mean, it'll work for you, but I don't know. For the price, sure, but at the same time, not for me. Now, I have two eyeliners. I have this one, which is kind of like a stick, and I critique this in my haul because it's literally just like a black lipstick stick. How do you sharpen this? How do you whatever? It's just cream for my waterline, and then I got an actual liquid liner with a little stamp, which is so cute. But I'm going to put this in my waterline because I do, it's called kajal, and I'm Desi, I'm South Asian, so we use kajal. That's basically our eyeliner. And the fact that I was named this, I'm like, you know, I gotta try it. I gotta try this, like, weird stick thing. Because we do have something similar, but not in, like, okay. Not in this form. I'm gonna say right now, it is really hard to get a payoff on this too. Because, as you saw, you got, like, I got a really good amount here, but here is, like, barely there. And the only reason I got it is because the cream came off into my actual lashes. So, if I just put it in my waterline, see, that's just in my waterline. Barely a payoff. I just have to kind of rub it into my lash to really get anything. Is it great? No. Was it like $2? I think so. So, I mean, I'd probably take it like traveling or somewhere I won't care that it'll get messed up because, you know, I can. Not in love with it, but it's not terrible. It's not really a win, but if you like it, you like it. Now this is the eyeliner that I got. I did use the stamp in my actual video, so I'm just gonna do it real quick because I love this moon stamp. They had a bunch of different options that you could get, but I got the moon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down because maybe it's gonna make me happy after all these failures. Whoa, it's so cute. I really wish, I'm probably gonna get another one of these stamps just because I want to. But I haven't used the felt tip side, so let's see how that goes. Okay. I will say right now that this feels just like, I used to be a very big Kat Von D tattoo liner person before her whole thing, before she got canceled. But I really liked the way it applied. Also, that bottom part, that's actually from the kajal, that's not from this. It is extremely, like, it just glides on. It doesn't feel like I'm pushing at all. It's just there. Let me do my other eye. I'll be right back. Guys, I got such a fine tip on this side. I just cleaned this side up. This is so easy. I'm getting more. Like, I have to get the ones with all the stamps now. And I'm actually, this is my new go-to liner. Like, there's no way it's not. I did kind of, like, mess up and did not get close enough to my line there, but that's on me. Mascara will cover up. But, like, this, I'm in love. Moving on. This is my mascara. This is what started this entire, like, want. Because I saw this and I'm like, well, I can't just get one makeup product. And, like, are they even good? And then I started the whole thing. And it's really just, like, a normal black mascara wand. But the packaging. Though I did mention in my haul video that it was a lot more blue in the package like image, but you know, I don't care. It is also, you can't tell, I don't know if you guys could, but this is like plastic. It's not a brush. It's much thicker. It is much thicker than an average one. So let's see how this does. Remember, this is before. I'm not using an eyelash curler, though I could have bought one off of Temu. I'm sure if this works out, then and you use an eyelash curler, it would be a lot better, but to each their own. I typically don't use one. Ha! Are you seeing this? Y'all know the whole telescopic, the L'Oreal telescopic shit drama? I feel like this is what the telescopic was trying to do, because, like, oh my god, one coat. Of course, I'm trying to do, like, an even coat, and I do, like, a bunch of small coats, so leave me alone. But, like, wait, give me a second. But, like, look at that. I cannot. That's it. I love this. I'm really happy with this, actually. At the beginning of this video was trash, but, like, we're starting to get there. Now, for the lips, we have this. Now, I've seen this everywhere on TikTok and Shein. And basically, it's like the old-time lipsticks where they used to take the sheets and just kind of push on it. I was going to get a lip liner, but I'm like, you know what? I want to see. I did get a darker shade for this brand. It was shade 11. Whoa. Okay, so really nice color payoff. I'm just going to do how I saw in the videos. So I'm going to hold this down because this is going to move because it just like turns in. Wait. I feel like I'm eating ice cream. Wait, guys, wait. Wait, I didn't, like, no lip liner. There's a little bit there, but... Can I fix it? What is going on? I cannot believe that that just worked. I took down my hair because I just want to see, like, the full effect of this. I'm gonna buy a few more of these too because that was way too easy. I do see how, like, it's not, like, perfectly clean, but the fact I always struggle with my Cupid's bow right here. What did you... Oh my god. And though, like, yes, overall, the primer was kind of meh. The eyeshadow and blush could have better color payoff. The contour was kind of orange. But the eyeshadow stick, the liner and the stamp, the mascara, and now this lipstick, they're winning it. They're killing it. And of course, I had to get a setting spray. So I got the Novo Lasting Chamomile, whatever the frick it is. It's really glittery, and they had 2 versions, and everyone said they liked it, but of course, I don't know. Everyone said they liked the other stuff too. There you go. Just 3 spritz. And let's hope that works. These 4 products, I'm buying every version they have. And honestly, if I had really done my research, if I had found other people who were doing these tutorials and I was able to check all the other products out, I'm sure I would have been able to find other stuff that I loved that would make it look good. However, this ending product, not bad. I am going to be sticking around and trying these things, not only for my benefit, but for yours. And if you have any comments, or if you've tried makeup from Temu, talk to me below. And what are your thoughts on these products? Stick around, because not only do we talk about makeup and luxury goods that I get from other stores like Marshalls, Ross, and TJ Maxx, but I'm gonna keep buying stuff from Temu. And I'm going to keep my lifestyle up. Of course, I'm going through my whole weight loss transformation. I'm here so you guys don't have to go through the pain that I go through. At the end of the day, I love you guys, and I'm doing this so we can all be friends together. So let's be friends together. And if you like this video, like this video. And remember, I am not a professional. I'm just the middle child.